Hello, my name is Angelina Villalobos Rodriguez. Today I am going to tell about my family. This is my mother is 33 years old. Her name is Brenda Rodriguez. She is wonderful as you can see in this picture. She is darker than my aunt. Is taller than my grandfather and darker ages than my sister. Is fairer than my father and more serious than my cousin. She has darker hair than my sister and curly than my aunt. Is the oldest of my grandfather's children and is the most spoiling of all. He likes sport more than my younger aunt. And the likes dancing more than my dad. Thank you. Bye.